In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create 2023 and 60 photos video trend on TikTok. So first, you need to make sure that you have a CapCut applications to make this work. So without further ado, let's get started. So once you open your TikTok app, go to the search area on top and search for 2023 in 60 photos. And click any videos here. So what you're looking here is that CapCut logo. Try this template. So once you find it, just tap that one and click on Use Template in CapCut. And you will be directed to CapCut application. In here, you'll be needing to add 60 photos. So go ahead and select your photos. So once you're done, tap on Preview. So once you're done reviewing your photos, just go ahead and tap on the upper right, the import section. In here, click on export without watermarks or just let it be. Then wait for it to load up. And then when it's already on your TikTok app, in here you can edit it by adding the sounds that you like. And once you're satisfied with it, tap next and then post it online. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.